After a really warm March that we had, looks like a little bit of spring and winter weather returning to portions of the area. You want to know what that's why you're watching this briefing, obviously. We'll show you the details here in just a minute. We'll start right now, as a matter of fact. Here's our watches, warnings, and advisories. We put these warnings into effect yesterday afternoon. These haven't really changed very much. Higher elevations of the west, obviously, Wind River Range, Salt Wyoming Range, Tetons up toward Yellowstone. Also here across the Bighorn Mountains as well. Different start and end times on these. Go to our website to see that. We did have some advisories this morning, though. The Zorkas have an advisory, also the Jackson Valley, Star Valley as well. Again, weather.gov/RW wants specifics on start and end times. Will be a little bit of wind with this as well. Strongest winds will probably end up being east of the divide. You can see places like Cody, Buffalo, down here toward Riverton, Casper, Rock Springs. All these areas can see wind gusts to 40, maybe 50 miles per hour. I can even see a localized gust to 60 miles per hour if things set up right. East of the divide, strongest winds here around Casper probably during the day today. Places like Buffalo, Cody, Grable, Vermont down toward River. This will probably be Thursday night into the Friday time frame for the strongest winds. That's not going to be the big story, though. You came here for the snow, obviously. This is the least amount of snow we'll probably see out of this. Mountains are going to still have a pretty good chance of seeing this. I'd say at least maybe 8 to 10 inches across portions of the Tetons, at least 6 to 10 inches across the northern Bighorns as well. Highest amounts occur across the northwestern portions. Say at least 15, 16 inches here. It's a really good setup for them. Excuse me. Across the lower elevations, though, things set up right. It's a little bit warmer. Temperatures will be kind of borderline at the start of the snow for this. At least an inch, I say, across the western valleys. Many other places may only see a coating. Now, the likely maximum amount we'll see out of this is storm dips a little bit further south, for example. Western valleys, anywhere from about, say, 4 to 7 inches across those. Obviously, your attention draws to those red colors there. I'd say maybe a little over 2 feet across portions of the Tetons. Also the Bighorns. These are going to be the epicenter probably for the heaviest snow. Across the lower elevations, anywhere from about, say, 2 to 4 inches across the Kenmore area, an inch or 2 across the I-80 corridor, maybe 3 around Pinedale. The least amount of snow out of this is probably the Wind River Basin. I know you don't want to hear that, but maximum amount, they could see an inch and a half out of this. This might be a little bit low, but not a lot there. They've got the 2 inches across Casper, more as you head down toward Casper Mountain, obviously. Bighorn Basin, maybe up to 1 or 2 inches. And the area that really draws your attention here, you can see around here, Johnson County, 3 around Casey, maybe locally 5 up here around Buffalo. I'll give you some details about this. Travel could be a little bit rough here when you head toward Friday morning. Now, our most likely accumulation out of this, you see just about smack in the middle, anywhere from about 1 to 6 inches across the western valleys. Lower elevations, probably a coating to an inch. Everybody, I think, will have a chance to get some snow out of this, just not a lot if you're in the lower elevations, with a couple of exceptions. Generally, a coating to 1 or 2 inches here across central Wyoming. Better chance of seeing more snow up here across the northern Wyoming, Bighorn Basin. You can see an inch or 2 there. Highest amounts here, around some arrows here. The low will be moving this way, and that tends to bring a counterclockwise flow around it. So you get north-northwest flow. East of Thermopolis, east of Worland, down toward Tensleaf could pick up a little bit more. Then the most favorite area east of the divide, right up here around Buffalo. That's a pretty good pattern for them. 1, 3, 4, maybe 5 inches possible here with the northwest flow here. With wind gusting maybe to 40, 50 miles per hour Friday morning. It's not going to be any fun to travel around here, probably during that time. So we could see a winter weather advisory going up here as we go through the day today after the warm temperatures. Now the highest amounts, obviously, 2 areas I mentioned. Tetons, right here. Anywhere from about 1 to 2 feet. Also here across much of the Bighorns, especially northern Bighorn, to the east of level. Expecting about 16 to 24 inches in that area as well. Here's our resources. You want weather, just go to our website, weather.gov/RIW. And for road conditions, again, don't call us for road conditions. Go right to the source here. This is right from WYDOT. WildRoad.info on the web. You want to call them on the phone, 511 in-state, 1-888 Wild Road out-of-state. They have a really nice app, too, for both Android and Apple as well. Download it on your phone if you think you're going to travel. Be safe, everybody, and enjoy your day.